Emerson, do you like chili? Emerson, is it good? You like it? Hmm? Want to help with your fork?